Hey guys, it's Angelo Christian Financial. I hope everyone's doing well. Out here in Vegas doing an event for a training seminar for top producing loan officers. And one of the things I want to talk to you guys about is we're coming into a different time of the year now in the world for mortgage loan originators. And this is my message to all the loan officers out there. How do you survive in 2022 with rising interest rates? A lot of loan officers, a lot of mortgage companies are going out of business. And we're thriving, we're busier than ever because of all the products that we offer. You have to have product. You have to have amazing products, fast underwriting, great speed, great rates, and that's something that we have with our company. So if you're looking to make a change, reach out to us. We're hiring top producing loan officers, we're hiring top branches. We have all different types of programs, jumbo loans up to $3 million, 10% now. We're a direct lender. We service and bank all of our own loans. We have no-doc loans, we have non-QM loans, we have construction loans, land loans, professional loans, doctor loans, 100% financing conventional. I go on and on and on. In an industry like this, where it's so volatile and things are moving around so much, you can't be left holding the bag in your hand and just doing refinances or working with a plain Jane vanilla mortgage company. You have to be working for a top lender and be successful in a rising rate environment. You have to have great ARM products. Interest only 40-year loans. So reach out to us. This is the time and opportunity for you in your lifetime to make a difference. I want to hear from you. If you're a top manager, top branch manager, top LO, this could be a game changer. So please reach out to Angelo Christian to make a change for 2022 to keep your career going.